Thanks to 3W for sponsoring today's video. If you guys have been watching our channel for a while, you know that we have 3W liners in all of our vehicles. We've been using them for years, and I personally think they make some of the nicest liners out there. And today we're going to be installing them into a Ford F-150 Lightning. Right away, absolutely zero smell. They're made from high quality TPE material. They're odorless, they're non-toxic. You don't have to like air them out or anything like that. They are incredibly premium feeling. They look OEM, okay? I had the Tesla ones in my Model X, and I actually replaced them with the 3W because I like them better. At SEMA last year, we were able to go to their booth and see some of the other liners that they had. They had ones for the Cybertruck, and they had incorporated the design language of the Cybertruck into the liners. They make over 400 different models, and they actually won the Red Dot Award for their designs. But let's go ahead and get these inside the Lightning. So since these are custom designed for each vehicle, there's no gaps, there's no slipping. They're actually made from high precision 3D scanning, so they fit perfectly inside of here. And these grooves are really nice because they trap all kinds of dirt, dust. If you spill water, it gets trapped. Really easy to be able to take them out, hose them off, and then just put them right back in. So check this out, they even have the bolt pattern and it goes perfectly over the bolt. It's just like making a bed. Oh wait, I am making a bed.